up, Freebirds? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing foot pegs and passenger pegs on this Sportster 1200S, and that starts right now. Alright guys, we are starting off with the right side peg. The owner of the bike, Adam, has decided to go with these Joker machine pegs. They're serrated foot pegs, much like the motocross style pegs that are out there today. A lot more grip than the current chrome Harley ones that he has on here. They're just like a rubber stop pad up here. So should get a lot more traction with these. Let's get to installing it. All right, when you're installing these foot pegs, they're all the same on just about every Harley. I'm pretty sure even the new ones are all the same. Real simple. Not much to tell here. Just gotta unbolt. Bolt here. Pull the screw off. Bolt. The peg should just ease its way out. Only thing you gotta be careful is don't lose the washer piece here. That's like the tension that holds the peg. That allows it to stay up or down. So it's not flimsy. It's essentially, that's all it does. It puts pressure against the peg. Real simple stuff. And sometimes they come cracked, so sometimes you have to replace them. But that's pretty much it for those. Alright. Continuing with Adam's blacked out look here. Washer. Alright, just gotta line up the hole with the washer, get this in there. Once that's in, do a little tap. Helps just get the last little piece past that washer. And there, nice snug feel. Alright, once your bolt's through, we're gonna put on the locking nut. Alright, now we gotta get this thing flat. Particularly, Adam can probably adjust it afterwards, but I'm gonna get it flat. That's how usually I like it. Best way, I guess you can form it a little bit forward or a little backward, depending on how you like your feet to sit. On the back side of this is the adjustment right back here. So we're gonna pop to this side. Okay, so it looks like there's a bolt obviously here. You don't have to do that one on this particular one. Set up for this peg. You just use a hex head here, 1/8 of an inch. I'm just gonna loosen that up. That should give us the right adjustment to where we wanna go. Awesome. Looks good there. Snug. Joker peg looks good. Now the other side. Not much explanation on this side. It's the exact same thing. Break the bolt loose. It's a little stuck on there, so we're actually going to tap this one out with the hammer. There we go. Washer looks good. Out the old, in with the new. Alright, once everything's aligned, slide your bolt in, just like that. Give it a little, there we go. Snug it in. Now we're gonna lock it down. Snug down. I already went ahead and loosened up this one before I put it on. So we're gonna get it to the right standing. Looks good. Alright, continuing with the blacked out theme, the owner has decided to go with some Arlen Ness Neuro Gripped passenger pegs. on the left side. Moving the left-hand side now. And doing these, sometimes they come with new washers or clips. These are still in pretty good condition, so we don't have to worry about getting new ones there. And the direction that you want it to swing. Just like that. Moves well. Looks a lot better already. Not forgetting the shifter peg here. We are replacing that with the Arlen Ness Neuro Grip style peg here, which actually matches the passenger pegs. We're gonna throw that on. Some Loctite on here on this one. Alright, so what I like to do is there's not a good way to really lock that down. Mostly by hand is fine. I just want to make sure I give it a good snug little channel locks here, just to make sure. Good to go. Alright guys, there you have it. Alright guys, there you have it. The front passenger pegs by Joker Machine and the rear Arlen Ness pegs to match with the blacked out look that Adam's going for on this bike. If you made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free, and I'll catch you guys later.